circle graph. Data is very important in our everyday life. We represent data in multiple ways. We learned to represent data in tabular form. We also learned to represent data in pictorial form, like bar graph. Circle graph is an important way to visualize the whole and its parts. Let us take an example. A teacher records the participation of the students of her class in various sports events in a table. Let us learn to represent this information on a circle graph. The first step is to find the fraction of each category. For that, we add another column to the table with the title Fraction. The total number of students is 40. The fraction of students who participated in cricket is 10 upon 40. When we reduce the fraction to the lowest term, we get the fraction as 1 upon 4. The fraction of students who participated in football is 4 upon 40, which when reduced to the lowest term becomes 1 upon 10. Similarly, we get the fractions and the lowest terms of basketball, volleyball, and baseball. Now, we will plot these fractions in a circle. This circle represents one whole. Let's start. The first category is cricket. Its fraction is 1 upon 4. So, the number of students who participated in cricket will form 1/4 of the circle. The fraction of football is 1 upon 10. So, the number of students who participated in football will form 1/10 of the circle. The fraction of basketball is 1 upon 4. So, it will form 1/4 of the circle. The fraction of volleyball is 1 upon 5. So, it will form 1/5 of the circle. The fraction of baseball is also 1 upon 5. So, it will also form 1/5 of the circle. This is the circle graph of the data. Observe that the fractions of all the categories taken together form one complete whole. Now, let us learn to read and interpret the data presented in the form of a circle graph. This circle graph shows the performance of Prasanna in annual exams. Can you tell in which subject Prasanna has scored the most? Yes. Prasanna has scored the most in mathematics. In which subject has she scored the least? Yes, she has scored the least in English. In which subjects has Prasanna scored more than English? Yes, she has scored more in mathematics, science, and social studies than English. So, we all learned to draw and read circle graphs.